So, hello. This is the first episode of Gaming Geckos. We're starting off with a game called Super Slime Arena, which is a really fun fighting game. My sister is here. Say hi.
Hello.
And maybe we'll be looking back on this video in 5 or so years and cringing really hard.
I'm cringing really hard at you.
Okay, well.
Right now.
Alright.
So.
Aren't you always, though?
5 years, more like 5 seconds.
Oh, okay. So. Become slime!
Over.
So we've already played this game a couple times. And we're gonna start off with Shuffle. That's our favorite mode. And we're gonna play with all the different slimes. Alright, let's do random and hope we don't get this one. I don't really like this one.
No, I like that one.
It's
really busy.
Alright, so let's go.
Oh, this one's
So,
working.
the way this works is you have movement, and
You can
then
move around, and then you can jump, and then you can attack.
yeah. So, and the attack the attack is different for every slime. Mine is a little poison rain thing, and
mine is hopping around.
Yeah.
Because I'm a bunny.
so my poison stays on the ground. So and we have 32 lives each. They change. Each stage has hazards, and so we're just gonna get started now.
Oh, I jumped right into your freaking poison.
And in the shuffle mode, you swap and you die until you've swapped a total of 32 times.
Oh my god.
And then and then the last person standing wins. It supports up to 51 players.
51.
Japan.
Oh my
Yep,
goodness.
up to 51 players. It's crazy. And the last one standing wins. So we only have 2 players, so it's not that complicated right now. So hopefully I'm able to mop the floor with Rachel here.
I keep dying.
That's because
No,
you
jump,
are.
jump. I said jump. No, jump.
That's because
yes,
you got
jump.
to get good.
Good.
Oh man, still winning though. Oh. Imp. Oh snap! It's double imp. Oh.
I am a superhero. Here to save the day.
Nope.
Dang. Have some You know what? Freaking jump into that. Yes, queen.
Oh.
Get it.
Well, now I'm the superhero.
That's funny.
Eh.
Oh man.
So each slime has different attacks. It's kind of hard to understand what they are at first, but after playing Shuffle for 2 or 3 times, we were able to understand most of them and discern our favorites.
Uppercut.
So this one that I'm playing as now, the wave slime, shoots a little knockback wave, and I'm pretty sure that only the white part does damage.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh snap! It's king size slime battle. What?
You know what? I would have won. If I weren't myself.
So that one that Rachel has now charges up.
Thiefy.
Yep. This one just does a ground pound. That one lays traps. This one shoots projectiles that get bigger.
I'm pretty sure they know what snow is.
Not always. It might be like a thrown snowball instead of a this one, the jar wizard, is Rachel's favorite.
This one's one where I'm really good at usually. Today I'm not doing so good. 15 to 24. Freaking heck.
Oh, I like this one.
I don't. No, thank you.
Oh snap, we're weather slimes. Stormy Slimies.
Come at me.
I came at you.
I just came out. Zimny's aim.
Oh man. Too fast for me. Out train.
Oh man. Oh my god.
You gotta up your game, Reach.
Hi, bud.
Oh.
Hey, buddy. Buddy chum.
Bunny time!
No thanks. No. No. You know what?
It's very relaxing music for how chaotic this game is.
Smush you like a
I'm almost beating you 2-1. Tactic Rainbow. Oh snap! It's double rainbow time.
Come at me, bro.
Oh snap!
That's funny.
Look out for the train.
Why are you telling me to look out?
Cause I'm a sore winner. I mean, no.
You're a good chum.
What?
Good job.
You are no match for the mighty wing slime.
I'm a tornado.
Tomato tornado.
I'm a Tory.
I have 10 more lives than you, Rachel. You gotta up your game.
You did. That's why you're,
Oh no, I got punch.
Punch doesn't do much.
Yeah,
Go up.
It's just this
Thank
little
you.
tiny attack that can not stand a single chance to something like a tornado. Beam is pretty good though. It's got like really good range. Oh right, you're invincible the first time that you spawn.
No.
I wonder if we can destroy these vending machines. Oh snap! Oh, you shouldn't have jumped. You only got 5 more lives, Rachel.
Why am I
Oh man!
fucking suck at this game? Get
King
shot!
Attack! What? How did you do that?
I'm a freaking magician.
Oh, I'm Puddle.
Wow.
I don't like Puddle that much.
Really?
Yes. Remember, you can't attack me when I'm doing that spin, this spin attack.
Oh wait, for a second I thought I was you, but then I was right and you were.
Oh, man.
And that was really confusing.
Zap.
What am I? Rancher? You said jump, bro.
Slime Rancher.
That's a different game, bro. Haha.
Haha.
No.
Oh, this is your last life. Can you manage to beat me with kick?
Nobody likes kick.
I mean, at least it's not as bad as punch. Chop.
No.
Chop.
No.
Chop.
No.
You sure walked into that one.
You know what?
I guess you more like
Don't
jump.
care.
I guess you more like jumped into that one. You want to go again?
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna see who wins. Most
Let's try some other stage. What's
out of 3.
Let's do Grand Arena. This is the normal one. Like the first stage. There's nothing here. It's really simple.
I'm a fucking bunny.
Oh man.
Get wrecked by the bunny.
Wait, those were the ones that we started off with last time.
Bunny, bunny. Can I get a hoo-yah for the bunny?
No, Rachel. And you said that you were cringing at me. Oh snap! We're the 2 energy slimes. And, never mind. Now I'm just a
Beamed. No.
bored.
No. Bomba.
Oh man. Oh, double KO. Oh. Did you just kill me with punch?
I did do that.
Oh
You
man.
gotta constantly punch with punch. Do nothing but punch with punch.
Well, yes, that is the description of what the punch slime does. No, please.
I won't punch you. No, you don't. You are a wave.
How do you know that?
Because you are a wave.
Let's make some waves. Aww.
Make like an ocean. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, what the? How did you do that? Oh, you're winning this one.
Told you. Good game.
Very good enough. Are you good enough for this?
Frickin'.
Oh.
Yes, I am. That's.
Well, you're only winning by 3 lives. Don't get your hopes up too soon.
I will not. See, this one, you just have to get closer to you. No, that was bad.
Yeah, this one, the only part that does
Ow! You're a wet coat!
the only part that does damage is the little, like, actual whipping part. The actual whip doesn't do damage.
Don't
also, I can just do that.
Take a now.
Aww.
Take a now.
Boing!
No! I'm only winning
Don't forget,
by 1 line.
don't forget to take advantage of your Don't forget to take advantage of your bubble, because you're invincible when you first.
No!
So when you first spawn in, risk
Look
it.
at that freaking sun. That sun be lit.
Yeah, that's a slime.
Sun
Yeah.
slime. No! I'm losing here.
Epilepsy warning. Oh no, this is the one where you charge up. I won't let you. Oh, you're like completely charged up. But you didn't use it in time. You didn't risk it.
Take it out. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button!
What are you doing?
Pressing the wrong buttons, that's what I'm doing.
Look out for my trap, for my rainbows. Aww.
Look out for my trap. Bro! Trippity trap.
I'm not.
Slip slap.
No. Ah, yes. I thought I'd be able to fly over the snowball. Phew. What the? How did I? What? Did you see that?
No.
How did that happen?
You jumped really high?
Yeah. That was
saw
crazy.
that.
I went
That
like
was
up
pretty
into the
weird.
sky.
Take a snowball. No, thank you.
Oh, and in case you're wondering, I'm using a controller and Rachel's using the
Get wrecked.
And Rachel's using the mouse buttons and the
No!
then the slash with the period buttons. Boom. You might want to trade to see if you do better with the controller.
Lit. It's lit.
You want to try using?
I'm lit.
You want to try using a controller one of these times?
No, because I know how to use this one.
All right.
Dishity dash. Coming to get ya.
Oh, please no.
Coming to get ya. Coming for your wig.
That's terrible. Oops. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
That was unfair of me. What?
I was coming to get you.
Why are you running away from me?
Disrespect.
You had a bubble.
That's why I was running away from you.
Yeah, but you have a bubble, Rachel.
Take it out.
Why don't you take advantage of your bubble? Shut blam.
Shut blah blam. No, thank you.
Countered. Puddle.
I thought I was you again. I was like, cool, I got puddle. I'm not very good at puddle, apparently. Coming to get ya. Coming for your wig.
I teleport.
Why am I going up so high? I don't know. I didn't tell it to go high. It's just high.
No, this is not going anywhere. These two slimes are evenly matched.
No! Sibbity stab.
Ah,
You look fab.
I look
know
fat.
I look fab.
Oh snap! Where the slimes of up and down. Up
No.
wins. I guess it's down actually. It comes from the up, but it goes down, as opposed to Rachel's from the down that goes up.
No! Bad.
Block. Oh man.
Get stibbity stab.
Trap.
Stibbity stab! You don't look fab. You know what? I walk into the trap. Like I know what I'm doing.
Oh, I'm Spike.
And I'm lit. Never mind.
Supikey des.
You know what? No one knows what you're saying, so like...
I'm saying it's spiky.
Obviously.
Why is that your new meme? Aww.
That's funny.
But you only got 2 more lives left, Rachel. Snowball. Oh man. Oh, but you're on your last life.
Watch me not whip.
I'm gonna charge up.
Kick.
Oh snap! Your last life is kick again.
Kick you.
Rachel, you know kick only does damage if you're in the air, right? Are you ready for the death time? Oh, you were out of range. I'm just gonna stand here and charge up. No, thank you. How about one of these?
No!
Alright, well, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Join us next time for a second episode of Super Slime Arena. Bye!
Bye, guys!